Hello everyone. Welcome to another video on packaging design. In this video, I will teach you how you can create creasing and cutting lines for a perfume packaging box. The creasing area will be used for folding and it will not be cut in the final printing process. A little pressure will be applied on the die line to create this area. Right now, you can see that we have created a die line of a perfume packaging box. Select this die line and create a copy of it by holding the Alt key. Now lock this die line by pressing a Ctrl+2 key on Windows. Select this die line and go to the Pathfinder tool. Choose this outline option. It will remove both fill and stroke. By pressing Ctrl+I, you can see the die line in a wild frame. Now we will give a color to this outline. Normally a red color is recommended. You can choose according to your choice. So what is the difference between these two die lines? Let me explain you. First of all, ungroup this die line and unlock the first one. Here you can analyze that when I move this flap, the whole rectangle comes out. On the other side, when I select this flap, only a single line comes out of the whole die line. It means we can change the color of a single line. Hope it will be clear to you now. Now lock this die line first. Choose these lines as they will be creasing of the box. Give them a different color. I am choosing a blue color for the creasing. Now select a single line and choose this option to select all the similar lines. Here you can see that all the creasing lines are selected. By pressing Ctrl+3 key to hide these creasing lines. Here you can see the cutting area. Now unhide this creasing. Make sure these lines are selected and then go to the stroke option. Choose these dashed lines. Here you go. You can see that we have created the creasing. You can increase and decrease the size of these dashed lines. That's all for this video. See you in my next video. Don't forget to check out my website for freelancing services and discounts. If you have any questions, please ask in the comment box. See you in my next video with more exciting stuff.